Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit your email templates on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to edit your email template on Ziprecruiter. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have this option that says Dashboard, Jobs, Candidates, Invite to Apply, down to Activate. So click on Jobs. And once you click on Jobs, it's going to take you to the job window. In there, I'm going to show you what exactly you can do to edit your email template. So now that we're in jobs, the next thing that you're gonna do is to click on active jobs. So right here, I do not have active jobs. I just have jobs in my draft. But if you click on active, you see that it's 0. So active jobs are jobs that you've already posted. So head over to active jobs and it's going to take you to this window. So you're going to find the list of the active jobs that you want to edit your email template on. So after selecting active jobs, you're going to see all the jobs, the list of all your jobs. And just right below each of the name or the title of a job, you're going to find this manage button. So click on this manage button and you're going to find an extended menu here. So select email candidates. Select email candidates from the drop down menu, and it's going to take you to what this window that looks like this, that select email template. So you can now select any of your email template. Once you select the email template, you're going to see this option that says edit and delete. So select the edit hyperlink and it's going to take you to another window where you can now edit the email template. So scroll down and click to save template once you're done. So this is what's going to look like. The default message to edit this email template. So click on it and edit it, tweak it to what you want. Use any of the text features to help you enhance your text. After that, click on the save template button and your template, your new template or your new email template will be saved. So this is pretty much how you can edit your email templates on Ziprecruiter. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.